Alright guys, I know none of you asked for this, but today we are doing another fashion video. This time I'm gonna try and make fingerless gloves, but not just any fingerless gloves. It's gonna be almost like a punk aesthetic kind of ones. So I've got these oh shit, I shouldn't turn it upside down. These mini spikes or whatever they screw on or something. Yeah, I'm gonna add those to the gloves after. This is the tool for it. But I got this pattern off the Google. I don't know if it's gonna work for what I need it for, but yeah, I got that, and I got this fabric, which is some kids cargo shorts or something. I don't know. I had already cut them up previously to take out the zipper because it was like gold, so I was like, I need that. And then yeah, so I already cut it in half so I could have two sides. And to be honest, I'm not sure if there's enough fabric here to make all the pieces, but I'm hoping there is, because like I really want it to work. So I'm gonna try and use what's already here to like not have to sew as much. So I'm probably just gonna like line the stuff up to the seams and whatnot. But as you can see, it's already kind of like a little bit frayed at the edge, so it kind of already has that worn vibe, because I'm pretty sure they were worn. But yeah, so after that I'm gonna add the spikes probably to the part that's on the arm, and then I'll show you guys the process and how it's gonna look after. So I've got the pieces cut finally after 50 million years. This is, I don't know, I'm not even gonna describe what the pieces are because I don't even know. But I accidentally cut this wrong. I tried to hack it by folding it over and cutting them both, but I put the fold on the wrong part. So that was very smart. And now the pieces are different sizes, so yeah, I hope I didn't mess it up. But yeah. I forgot to mention that I did alter the pattern. I cut the pieces a little bit shorter, so like the finger part would be shorter, and the arm part would be shorter, because I didn't really want the finger part to go up so far on my fingers, and I didn't want it to go so far up my arm because I didn't want like a long one. So yeah, I trimmed it, and I don't know if they're gonna fit together now because I trimmed it, but I guess we'll find out. First piece is done with some minor struggle. Alright, second part done. Just ignore that they don't look like the same size. I may have just done some rough cutting to start, so yeah. Alright, I just finished one. It looks like this, and surprise surprise, it doesn't fit because I was not very smart and I didn't use stretchy fabric, and the pattern said to use stretchy fabrics, so yeah, it does not fit. So I'm just gonna open it on this seam at the bottom, like up to like here maybe, and then I'm gonna put like something that can keep it closed, like a button or something, a strap. As you guys can see, I added the little studs on the bottom, or not the bottom, but like on the part of the gloves that's gonna be like around the wrist, that bottom part. I ripped open the sides and added these little straps. So the last step, I'm just gonna put like a button to keep it closed so that I can close them after when I put them on, and then that's really gonna be it. To be honest, they're a little bit tight. I should have thought it through before choosing this fabric, but yeah, I don't have any more of this fabric to try it again, so I'm making it work. Well, it may be a little bit difficult to see, but this is what it looks like. I have the spikes on there, and I attached it with the strap. Yeah, to be honest, it's kind of hard to move my hand, but I don't know, I think it looks kind of cool. I just remembered, like, after I filmed that last thing, that I actually have some camo fabric that is stretchy. So I might try and do this again on a better fabric. And yeah, that other one, I don't think it's as thick. So like all the seams here are making it be so bulky. Hopefully the other one is gonna be better. Alright, y'all, this pair of gloves is officially complete with the like opening or whatever, the studs. Yeah, I'm kind of upset that this one is a little bit tighter than this one, because this one is so comfortable to wear and this one is just like cutting off my circulation low-key. But I don't really know what to do that I can make it fit better, so I'm just gonna leave it. And I don't know, maybe my hand will get skinnier one day and I can wear it more comfortably, or I have to do that jeans thing and wet it first or something. I don't know. But I'm actually happy with them. They look kind of cool. It's kind of like industrial in a way. And yeah, hopefully I can make more of this kind of thing, but I don't know. Let me know if you guys want to see actual proper tutorials on stuff like this, or if it's boring, or like anything else fashion related that you guys want to see, because I can definitely think of a lot of things that I could do. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.